think I found the coolest robot cleaner for your floor, and it's just completed. This is the Amalok robotic Hoover. As you can see, it's lining itself up now with its charger. We've called ours Dustin.
Start charging.
There we go. It's pretty cool. It maps out your whole floor wherever you are, and then goes up and down and cleans it. We've been testing this for a couple of months now. It does an amazing job. It's the cheapest robotic vacuum cleaner on Amazon, just over £100. We have two now, one from the upstairs and one for the downstairs because they're on different floors. Highly recommend it. Go over to Amazon, pick one up today.